Somewhat the Lego movie in the background, but it's 52-inch SMC Elegant Series. I just kicked on this MR Flex heater. It'll get cold with this on.
I don't like the guys. Let's just call this.
But anyway,
See you later.
I like the globes on it, and I like the fan itself. I like one thing I don't like is the brass is a bit dark for me. I mean, it's nice on those ones, but for a big 52-inch one here, it's a bit gloomy. I'd like a brighter antique brass, but it's still fine. It's still better than satin nickel or something, or some kind of modern junk. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, yeah, it is a beautiful house. It's very brassy and ornate. I mean, not too brassy, but it's quite ornate, and just I like it. It lights. Off. It's certain low.
I don't understand what you mean.
What's going on? You are undermining me.
Which phrase would you like me to underline?
Disable the shield. Let me try. Be ye disabling of yon shield.
Disable shield.
What?
I'm not gonna reverse it actually. I hate the incandescent bulbs, their energy sucks.
The truth is, I see you've accidentally wandered into my think tank. And by the way, I found a few of your friends, by which I mean all of that acceptable work.
Let's see what kind of how it look far away. Yeah, it's like how restaurant would look like a restaurant with good air conditioning, and they only need slow fans to enhance cooling a little bit. The chains are a bit dusty. It's medium.
You see in it? A corrupted spirit is no match for the purity of imagination.
It goes about it fast and moves about as much air as my Fanimation beneath on my living room high. I'm telling you now, my Fanimation beneath on my living room high sucks when it comes to airflow. Literally sucks.
His eyes are gonna become X. Wait, look. Wait.
I made it up.
Wait.
It's not true. That means I'm not special. You must listen. What I'm about to tell you
Wait.
will change the course of history.
Wait. See?
Yeah, that's medium. I think it's there's a ceiling fan up there. Actually, I'm not sure because this fan right there that'll get all the heat. So maybe wall fans. That's a good point, I believe. Oh wait, I'll turn it on high. I've never actually seen this on high before. Or medium.
Robots, bring me the sword of exact zero.
We're told then again.
Must be weird. 1 minute, you're the most special person in the universe. The next minute, you're nobody. Oh, I have a nice spot for this in my relic.
Impressive.
Uh-oh, my mistake! There it goes!
That is impressive.
Forever. Well, I guess there's only one thing
Impressive for
left to do.
And nowadays fans, I like SMC fans for that same reason. They're so powerful.
Computer,
Yes, sir.
set the electric shocker to 100 Mississippi.
No problem.
Spin down. Actually, it'll do it by the chain, because I also want to start up from high.
Sir, it's not personal. It's just business. Lord, business. Ciao.
Beginning zapping termination in 99 Mississippi, 98 Mississippi, 97 Mississippi, and so on.
Cut the heater off. Puts maybe more, but they turned off the fan. I'm gonna turn it on one more time when I start up.
Attention, everyone. This is President Business. Hello. Hi, welcome to Taco Tuesday. Don't worry about this big black monolith thing that's blocking out the sun. What you need to worry about is this question that I'm about to ask you. Who wants a taco? Yeah, I know. Tacos, tacos, you're so crazy. All right, everyone. Act normal. Perfect. Now, everybody say freeze. So I guess running around and screaming is normal. Micromanagement. Commence micromanagement. Commencing micromanagement.
Do the kids need more food?
Sorry?
Do the kids need more food?
No, I think they're okay. Do you need this?
By the way, I use.
Didn't you hear him? The prophecy's made up. I'm not this special. I think for a moment I thought I might. Who said that?
The cool movie.
Now, by the way, I asked if I could use the heater during the move or during the video. Okay.
The reason I raised my prophecy was because I knew
Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
because the only thing anyone needs to be special is to believe that you can be. I know that sounds like a cat poster, but it's true. Look at what you did when you believed you were special. You just need to believe it some more.
I just decide to believe that I'm
By the way, in
not.
friend
Because the world
SH's house, remember there was this white one in her daughter's bedroom? Yeah, it's the same one.
Termination in 35
I'm not sure if the globes are the same, they're probably different. And by the way, I love these fans. I like the cane bladed ones better, the cane bladed SMC Classic Series, and I also like the SMC industrial fans for function purposes, but for design, but it's one of my favorite. But yeah, sure if I could use a heater for the video. Anyway, one last thought up on high and I'm done.
What are you?
Lucy!
Wait, what are you?
Now it's your turn to be the hero.
No!
See you later, alligator.
Don't!
Thanks for watching.
Mississippi.
Turn the light off, because I don't really need it anymore.
There was no quarantine.
So I'm going to see you on Tuesday.
Yeah. So it's just. I mean, she costs more than me.
See you on Tuesday or a couple of days? Yes. Thank you. Yeah.